Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 Chasing-wind bicycle frame sets. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected new carbon gravel frame. Specifications: material, carbon. Model number, GT20. Use, road bicycles. Surface processing mode, matte. Weight, 1180 plus or minus 40. Type, carbon gravel frame. Color, sky blue. Brake, disc brake. Cable, all inner cable routing. Material, T1000 Toray carbon fiber. Max tire, 700 x 45C or 27.5 by 2.1. Suitable derailleur, D2 or mechanical. Disc rotor size, 140/160ths of a millimeter. Frame through axle, 142/12 mm. Fork through axle, 112 mm. Bottom bracket, BB 386. Warranty, 2 years. The item number 2 is new carbon gravel frame. Specifications: foldable, no. Material, carbon. Model number, CWG001. Use, BMX. Surface processing mode, matte. Weight, 1050 N plus M, 50 grams. Type, carbon gravel frame. Color, army green. Brake, disc brake. Cable, all inner cable routing. Max tire, 700 x 45C or 27.5 by 2.1. Suitable derailleur, D2 or mechanical. Disc rotor size, 140/160ths of a millimeter. Frame through axle, 142/12 mm. Fork through axle, 112 mm. Bottom bracket, BB 386. Warranty, 2 years. On the top of our list at number 1 we have BSA bicycle frame. Specifications: foldable, no. Material, carbon. Model number, CWM044. Use, mountain bikes. Surface processing mode, matte. Weight, 1,250 grams plus/minus 50 grams. Bottom bracket, BSA. Headset, 1/1/8 to 1/2. Seat post, 31.6 mm. Cable, inner cable routing. Brake, disc brake. Available size, 17-inch. Weave, UD. Warranty, 2 years. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.